Hey, it's Alyssa Bryden with Virtual Heights Accounting, and I wanted to go over what the difference is between a receive money and a payment on an invoice. So if you go into your Reconcile screen here, you're going to see we have 24 to reconcile. And you can see that City Limousines is one of them. So we could click match and find which one. So this is this invoice here. If we just tag it here, essentially what we're saying is that this invoice was paid here. So we're marking it as a payment. Another way that we could do that is if we know that this September 1st invoice was paid October 23rd, we can go right into the invoice. We're going to mark it as paid business account. And when we go back here, we're going to click reconcile. And it's going to show up as a payment. It's because I went back into it, it didn't show up green, but it will show up as a payment. So I can select that one. And I just realized I did the wrong amount. So we're going to go back in here. We're going to remove and redo. And it was a partial payment on an old invoice. Okay, so we can add a partial payment. Click reconcile. Easy to fix even when you're not, when you shouldn't make those mistakes. Okay, so payment city, $100. We're going to click match on that. So if this is completely new, so say I don't have an invoice, for example, but I know that there's something coming in, and it's this e-bank deposit. I don't have an invoice for it. If you code directly from here, that's a receive money. It means that you're not attaching it as a payment. It's being coded directly from the bank as a transaction item. If you match it, that's when you're going to match to what's already in accounts receivable. Okay, so that is really the difference. If you code it here, you also can add receive money. So say this was received on the 29th. We can add, say I know this is coming in the door, but it hasn't shown up in my bank feed yet. What if I say job grant? And they sent me the email that they were depositing it, maybe on the 23rd. And so then I could code to grant. If I don't have that account, I could always add one. Okay, and that one's not going to have any tax. And save. And so that is a receive money. And so I've added it separately, but now I can go back and I'll be able to match it to that. Click OK. So that is the difference between a receive money and a payment on a sales invoice. Thanks.